So now, let's light up the room with love as we present one of NASAA's 2024 Leadership Awards to a great colleague this morning. The Luminary Award for Transformative Executive Leadership recognizes a state arts agency executive director who has exhibited exemplary leadership and made a significant contribution to public support for the arts at the state, regional, and national levels. Here to introduce this year's Luminary Award winner is a luminary herself. Please help me welcome to the stage Puerto Rico's Chief Supreme Court Justice, Maite Oronoz Rodríguez. Chief Justice, thank you so much for joining us.
Muy buenos días a todos y todas. Good morning. What a wonderful crowd. What a fun convention. Before I start, I move for a motion to be invited to the next conference. I am a lot of fun. You don't know it yet, but I am a lot of fun. And I'm jotting down ideas for our next not-so-fun judicial conferences. Thank you, truly, for this kind invitation. It is a great pleasure to be here today to celebrate the transformative and visionary leadership of Dr. Carlos René Ruiz Cortés, Executive Director of the Instituto de Cultura Puertorriqueña. I first met Dr. Ruiz several years ago through our shared passion for history, the arts, and culture. Since then, we have collaborated on numerous initiatives aimed at using artistic expression to enhance access to justice and educate individuals of all ages, especially children and teens, about their rights. I can personally attest to Dr. Ruiz's dedication, accomplishments, and the qualities that make him truly deserving of this prestigious award. The Instituto de Cultura Puertorriqueña plays a vital role in preserving Puerto Rico's cultural heritage, encompassing all forms of artistic expression. Since assuming his position on January 2017, Dr. Ruiz has led significant efforts to protect and promote this heritage, despite the financial challenges the island has faced. His role at the ICP carries immense responsibility, not just in the preservation of our shared history, but in the making that knowledge accessible and engaging for people from all walks of life. Dr. Ruiz understands the profound connection between artistic heritage and community, recognizing that it is through our arts that we bond with our past, fostering an engaged, resilient, and united society. Dr. Ruiz's leadership has been tested by considerable challenges, including financial constraints, hurricanes, earthquakes, and the global COVID-19 pandemic. Yet, under his direction, the ICP has not only continued its vital work, but in my opinion, has flourished. His team's resilience and creativity have exceeded expectations, propelling the ICP through innovative and impactful collaborations. These efforts have helped to revitalize the Institute and expand its presence both within Puerto Rico and beyond. One of Dr. Ruiz's major accomplishments has been the expansion of the ICP's online presence, allowing Puerto Rico's arts and cultural activities to reach broader audiences. Celebrations honoring prominent cultural figures have flourished across the archipelago under his leadership. And he has strengthened both national and international partnerships, furthering the ICP's mission to ensure access to the arts and culture. A remarkable example of this effort is the Subversiones Sonoras project, which provide public access to previously classified police recordings from 1961 to 1975, political turmoil part of our history, now available at the General Archives of Puerto Rico. Dr. Ruiz's tenure is also marked by his commitment to fostering collaborations. Notable partnerships include the ICP's collaboration with the Supreme Court of Puerto Rico to digitalize rare book collections and an important alliance with the Federal Bureau of Investigation to safeguard Puerto Rico's artistic heritage. This collaboration has led to the protection of the National Collection from theft, with experts in art crimes training ICP staff and other cultural organizations, as well as law enforcement personnel. Today, we honor Dr. Carlos Ruiz Cortés, not only for his remarkable contributions, but also for his vision and passion for the arts and our unique cultural identity. His leadership exemplifies how innovation, collaboration, and dedication can transform institutions and enrich the communities that we serve. The arts and all forms of cultural expression are essential to the well-being of society. They serve as powerful tools for education, reform, and empowerment. The judicial branch recognizes the importance of artistic expression, understanding that an educated society is an empowered society. We commend Dr. Ruiz for his tireless efforts to promote access to Puerto Rico's artistic collection and its history. Please join me in congratulating Dr. Carlos René Ruiz Cortés on this very well-deserved recognition. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Carlos. Congratulations. We have a special gift for you that I'm so pleased to present. Local artist Eric Saunders Malave created a special carving specifically for you, and he was so incredibly thrilled to be able to make this especially for you. Let's do a photo real quick, and then your comments. All right. Put you in the middle. St. Francis and you. I'm stealing Carlos. Congratulations.
My God, that's San Francis and me. Wow. Amazing. Hi, everyone. Welcome one more time to Puerto Rico. Bienvenido. Good morning. On behalf of the Governor of Puerto Rico, the Honorable Pedro Pierluisi, and our Board of Directors, presided by the architect Carlos Rubio Cancela, just right here. Thanks, Presidente. We extend a warm welcome to our beautiful islands. We are honored, particularly in the historic moment, to host such esteemed representatives from every state and territory of the United States. We also have the privilege of welcoming representatives from 10 Ibero-American countries, just in our right side. They are there. We acknowledge the presence of my friend, Chief of Justice of Puerto Rico Supreme Court, the Honorable Maite Oronoz. Gracias, Maite. It is a great honor for the Instituto de Cultura Puertorriqueña, the public corporation I have the privilege of leading for the past 8 years, to host all of you here in Puerto Rico Archipelago. Bienvenido. I hope that during your stay, you will appreciate the beauty of our land in the Spanish-speaking Antilles, rich in a diverse culture that influences the world through his arts. Our stunning landscapes, cultural heritage, creativity, love, and national pride, along with the warmth of our people. All set us apart, and this unique essence is what makes us special and what we take great joy in sharing. This is Puerto Rico. One of our romanticists, the name is José Gautier Benítez, who said one time in the history, this is the enchanted island, or what he described. Bello jardín de América, el ornato, siendo el jardín América del mundo, in English. Beautiful garden of America, and America is the garden of the world. During the past 2 terms, we have encountered numerous significant challenges: hurricanes, earthquakes, pandemics, budget cuts, major political shifts, and also a new one, and cyber attacks. These circumstances make it difficult to stay afloat, relevant, and to evolve across the more than 13 divisions that influence all aspects of both tangible and intangible cultural heritage. The ICP, as Puerto Rico's unique and leading cultural institution, has not faltered for a single day out of our 2,855 days dedicated to serving our Boricua community, which includes 6 million Puerto Rican people living across the United States. Each year, we host over 400 activities that have a profound impact on our community, promoting accessibility and integration across all cultural sectors. We engage thousands of local and international cultural managers, protect countless works of art, and oversee numerous historic zones, along with investing millions of dollars in organizations and artists. This vibrant array of offering distinctly represents our organization. Ultimately, despite the challenges, the greatest reward for those committed to culture is witnessing the happiness of our people. As our top-notch artist and actor, Raúl Julia, expressed in a Puerto Rican film that had named La Gran Fiesta, lo imposible no es boricua, or the impossible is not Puerto Rican. I want to express my deepest gratitude to God for the blessing of being born in this wonderful land. I also appreciate my many friends and family, too numerous to name individually. A heartfelt thank you goes out to the 3 governing administrations that trust my work, despite my not being part of their collective. I am especially grateful to 3 remarkable women I begun to admire over the past few years: Pam Breaux, CEO of NASAA. Applause for NASAA. Magdalena Moreno, Presidenta of IFACA. She is just right there on the other side. And Doctora Maria Rosario Jackson. Thank you, Doctora Rosario. Sheriff of the National Endowment for the Arts. Also, un gran abrazo a mi buen amigo, Secretario de Estado, Omar Marrero. Gracias, hermano. Thank you for embodying and showcasing the strength of women across all sectors. I look forward to nurturing our friendship moving forward. The true heroes of Cultural Foundation of Puerto Rico are those who have devoted their lives to the beautiful Boricua art. I dedicate this recognition to genuine luminaries people, my team. Yes, those who have believed in me, embrace my unconventional ideas, accept my vision, navigate through my mistakes, celebrate my success, and acknowledge my strengths and weakness. Thank you for unwavering loyalty and for sharing my commitment to uplifting Puerto Rico. Especially 3 people who are with me from the first day in the last 8 years. Especially Freddy Vélez, Isabel Vivas Capó, and Isabel Rosa. have been with me since the very beginning and continue to inspire hope in our mutual trust. It takes a touch of madness to embark on this journey. And last of all, to my father, who is watching from the heaven as the Yankees win the World Series next week. New York Empire, and to my mother, the love of my life, who will have been celebrating her birthday today. Thanks, Mama. I am thankful for both for providing me with nothing but love. Finally, love for my people, love for my identity, and love for fear. Fear, yeah. It is only by embracing fear that we can truly experience its vulnerability. It is the sense of belonging and respect for my roots that leads me to accept and appreciate this recognition. Or, as our composer said, Tito Enríquez. In Spanish, agradezco al Señor que me permitiera haber nacido en esta tierra tan hermosa, en esta tierra donde mis ojos vieron la luz por vez primera. In English, I am grateful to the Lord for allowing for me to be born in such beautiful land, in this land where my eyes saw the light for the first time, Puerto Rico. Thanks all. Welcome to Puerto Rico. Gracias.